Turn your selfie into a hyper-realistic Lego character, fast. Start with a clear, front-facing photo in good light. Type a Gemini prompt describing face, expression, and realistic Lego materials. Paste the prompt into Gemini and run the photo to 3D model with high detail settings. Gemini generates a Lego model with realistic skin texture mapped onto plastic. Tweak texture strength and bump maps, then boost saturation for vivid Lego tones. Zoom in on the face, notice pores translated into micro scratches on the plastic. Apply vibrant Lego color grading, rich yellows, crisp reds, and deep blues. Use a split screen to compare the original photo and Lego twin, spot the likeness. Add playful scribble outlines and subtle shadow refinements for a stylized finish. Photo, Gemini prompt, render, texture tweaks, color grade, repeat to refine. And there you go, your super realistic Lego character. Try Gemini AI now and share your Lego twin.